guys, welcome to my channel. This is my first video. I'm Filipino. My country is Philippines. So, yan. So, I'm in the mirror. This is for intro. So, yan, look at it. And that's my mirror. Naka-aircon ako. Ayan. Kita niyo naman. Sana nakita niyo. So, yung medyo naka-ano lang naman ako. Lip tint, concealer. Hindi ako naka-blush on. Mukha ako naka-blush on pero hindi. At concealer. Yung pang ganun. Tapos, plus eye curl. Yan. Pang ganun. So, that's for my intro. So, bye!